Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna do our mini Mondays and our annual savings challenges. So let's get started with these because they will be pretty quick. And so these two are available in my shop, and this one saves, I believe it's the Mondays of every week in 2026, but I am getting a head start on it. So we're gonna do $2 today, and you can't really see that one. Let's try this one. And we have completed a couple of the months so far. I apologize if you can hear my printer. She's being very loud. So far we have saved 100, 50, 200, 20, 30, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, and 41. So $241. And this one will save us over $824. So that is exciting. And this next one is also from my shop. This is going to be on Sundays. This is every Sunday of the dates of the Sundays. So, but this one I'm going to do a little bit different. We did a little bit of a head start for November, but I am adding the numbers together. So when there's a double digit number, I'm going to add it together. So, and this is instance, this is 15. So we're going to add the 1 and the 5, and that will be $4. And I am curious to see how much it will save us to do it this way. Because not everybody can afford, and you may not even be able to afford all of these numbers each week. So it can help you. So we have 1, 2, 3, and 4. So all together in here so far, we now have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and $13. Awesome. And you'll be able to see at the end of whenever we finish this one that even if with these smaller numbers, they still add up in the end. So yes. All right, so now we're gonna do our mini Mondays. And we have $50 in ones, like always. Unless it's the end of the month, and we can scrounge up some extra money. And 6. Okay. And we're just going to put them out here. And we're going to start on number 3 today. And we're going to do our D3. All right. So I am right-handed, but I have to hold the money with my right hand instead of with my left hand. So, all right, we're going to go ahead and get started. We're going to roll our D3, and it's going to tell us how many of each, or how many bills is going to go to each challenge. So I hope that everybody had a great weekend, a good start to your Monday. I have not had my Monday yet. I am filming this a little bit early so I can make sure that I get it up and edited and uploaded for everybody. But I always dread Mondays. I really do. And it's just, I don't know. A lot of things going on at work that I just don't care for anymore, and I don't like being there. But, you know, that is adulting, I suppose, right? 1, 2. I would much rather be able to, wish I could stay home and do this all day, but I can't. All right, so that is ended off at number 1. So we will go ahead and move our paper clip to number 2, so we can start off on number 2 next week. And all right, so we do have our buyback 5s and 10s. So hopefully we can buy back all of our 1s. Okay. So this first challenge is from Budgeting with Lisa, and it got 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Awesome. And let's see. We need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That would finish it. Unless we do 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's do $2. 6 and then 7, 8, 9, 10. So that way we can get a little bit extra in there because right now we have 10, 15, and 16. Yeah. So we'll do that. So that way that one will definitely be done next week. That's why I like to save those little icons for last if any of the challenges have those little icons on them. All right, so this is our 30 envelope challenge helper. This is available in my Etsy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So we are now saving up for our $20 bonus. So right now we have 5, 6, 7, 8, and $9. So we'll go ahead and cross off a 5 and those 4 ones. Not that it really mattered, but so hopefully we will get that finished soon. And then I think we'll be able to be done with that by the end of the year for sure. I don't know about November, but definitely by the end of the year. Oh my goodness, Nicole. Goodness gracious. Okay. I don't know why I was struggling so hard with that. Challenge number 3 is it is October Savings Challenge from Kimmy's Corner. And today we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. And fine. We're going to swap that out. So we have 9. Let's see. We can do 3, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So we just need $4 more to finish this one out. So that is awesome. So far we have 5, 10. We're going to take that 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16. Awesome. So this one should also hopefully be done next week. And now that we are getting a good rhythm and we're starting to slowly fund our sinking funds, I am feeling pretty good. This one is from April's Fresh Start. We saved 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So we can do the 5 and the 3, and this one just needs 2 more. We are going to finish like all of these next week. I don't quite like that. I don't like finishing a bunch all in the same week, but sometimes that's just how it happens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. All right, so all together so far we have 5, 10, 15, and 16. And then challenge number 5. It got, let's see, which one is it? Oh, this one is from Lisa Grateful Me here on YouTube. Happy Mailbox Co. on Etsy. I have a ton of her stuff. I love it. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And this one is, let's see, we got a 5 and a 2. This came as an envelope. I just printed it on cardstock and cut it out like that so we could use it as one of our minis. And our last challenge for today is from Angela Marie 888, and it got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. 4 and 5. Okay, let me do this first. So we got 9. So let's go with the 6 and the 3. I pre-rolled these numbers, so I'm really not even sure how much it will save us. But so far we have 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. All right, yes, we were able to buy back all of our ones because I hate going to the bank. Like, I always feel like the teller at my bank she hates me. But this is actually a pretty short video, so I appreciate you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!